Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So if you want to talk while you're playing game with your friends or maybe you just want to enjoy it to the fullest, then I'll show you how it can be possible. So simply go to a browser and then search for Roblox. Once you search for it, you will go to its website, then you have to simply log in with your account. Then after that you will see the settings icon on the top right. You have to click onto it, then click on settings. After that it will take you to your account settings. Once the settings get load, then you will further see all options. Then you will see this option for device restrictions. You have to click onto that option, and further you will see the option for communication. Within these options you have to click onto it, and then you will see the option for voice chat. Click onto it and simply enable it, and after that click on enable, and now your voice chat is enabled. So that's how you will be able to enable voice chat in Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.